Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today we are going to talk about wisdom. You would all agree that wisdom is one of the greatest human assets. It's a huge treasure that all of us can really acquire with some effort. It helps us in solving problems, in resolving disputes, in learning from the mistakes of others, in guiding people, in commanding respect, in living in the hearts of other people. And the list, of course, is unending. There are 4 steps to wisdom, and if they are taken in order and applied in order, we are hopeful that we will gain this boundless treasure. The first of them is patience. Patience means that we have to delay our response. We must not be impulsive in our response. We must give due time to the problem at hand. The second step is reflection. Reflection means that we deliberate on the issue, we actually ponder on the issue in a logical way, in a rational way, and not let ourselves be swayed by our emotions. And then the third step is deduction. We try to find a unified whole of the problem at hand. We find the unifying thread of that problem and convert it into a meaningful whole, which of course is one solution or one possible potential solution of the problem. And the fourth and final rung to this ladder of wisdom is criticism. We present the solution to not only the criticism of our own selves, but to the society, and benefit from this collective criticism regarding wisdom. So these are the 4 steps that can really help us in acquiring wisdom and can really go a long way in this regard. So the first of them is that we must not be impulsive. The second one is that we, of course, signifying the fact that we are patient. The second one is reflection. The third one is deduction. And the fourth and final one is criticism. And it is hoped that if we apply these 4 steps in the same order as they have been described, inshallah, they'll go a long way in giving us and blessing us with this tremendous treasure called wisdom. Thank you.